Okay guys, I'm here about the Suburban recreational vehicle water heaters, potentially leaking carbon monoxide. If you're wondering, is it dangerous? Should I be worried? First thing you need to do, have a look at this here, write down the numbers, pause it if you need, take a photo on your phone for reference. Manufactured from 4th of April 2018 and 1st of August 2019. Go over to your van, find the gas door, looks like this, fold it down. Typically, top left-hand corner, you're looking for a serial number, can possibly have a D on the end. In some cases it will be there, some cases it's not, it's irrelevant. If your hot water service falls between those details, head back over to your caravan. There will be a gas isolator either in the front of the unit, or more likely, if you head inside, lift up the bed, under a little hatch and at the back of the unit, there should be a little yellow isolation valve that turns the gas off to the unit and prevents it from running on gas. This will leave your unit safe to use on electric. It's best to leave this in the off position until Suburban release their findings on the fault. If you shut this valve off rather than the main valve, you can still use your other appliances, as this only kills the gas to the hot water unit. It's still safe to use your hot water service on electric, 240 or 12 volt. They have only just found this issue. They're still investigating what caused the leak, where it came from, and whether it actually is a manufacturer defect. But it's best to not use it on gas until they've finished their testing and informed the public whether it's going to be a complete recall or just a small fix, and which units within this range are going to be affected. So what's the hazard? The hazard is carbon monoxide poisoning. If you're wondering what carbon monoxide is, you get the gas which heats up your hot water service and the oxygen. You light them both on fire, and after it's burnt you have carbon monoxide. Typically this would vent straight outside of your caravan, but I believe in just one instance they have found it to actually be coming into the caravan. It is bad for humans in concentrated amounts. It's very, very dangerous. But the way most caravans are designed these days, they have vents everywhere for this exact reason. They have them at the bottom of the door to let out the air. They've got vents on the side. They've got vents on the top. They've got vents on the roof, absolutely everywhere, because this has always been a danger. Any caravan that has gas appliances in it runs this risk. I'm going to be doing a heap more caravan updates. If you're interested, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and whenever I upload a new video, it'll be straight to you. As always, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.